I love watermelon and lemonade, so why not make a watermelon lemonade today? In a saucepan over medium heat, add the water and sugar. Cook until it reaches a boiling point. Remove the saucepan from the heat, add the lemon zest, fresh lemon juice, and mint leaves. Let all these flavors infuse until the liquid cools down. Then strain the syrup, place in a bottle, and store in the refrigerator until ready to use. You can keep it for up to 3 weeks. Time to make the watermelon lemonade. In a blender, place the watermelon pieces and mix them until you get a smooth mixture. To make the perfect watermelon lemonade, this is the ratio to follow: 4 cups of watermelon juice, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of lemon syrup. Mix all these ingredients in a bottle, then strain it all. I like to use my huge lemonade jar with this cute dispenser. Don't forget the ice cubes. Check this out. This lemonade is to die for. So refreshing. Bon appétit!